Commencez, épisode 2, mesdames et messieurs. À la lumière pour l'ambiance.
Previously on The Walking Dead.
I'm freezing.
Wait till we get up to Wellington, then talk to me about coal. I'm gonna go look for more wood.
Where's the rest of your group?
I'm by myself!
Bullshit!
Krista, run!
Là, Krista et moi, on a été séparés. Je me suis retrouvé seul.
I'm out. Grab her. Let's go.
Would someone mind telling me what the fuck is going on here?
She was bit by a dog.
For all we know, she could be working with Carver.
So, since you're pretty much on your own, what's your plan?
I don't know. I'm kind of on my own now.
Well, you're welcome to stay here if you want.
Jesus, Mary and Joseph.
Pete, les gars, c'est l'ancien.
Think about
C'est le
it.
vieux avec la
You're
veste verte.
Carver, what do you do?
Who's Carver? You were in the woods with Krista.
Please.
C'est lui qui l'homme qui mourait. On l'a pas aidé avec l'eau.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Just lost my footing. Damn it. God damn it. Come this way. Damn it, you get your asses over here, both of you.
Là, je suis dégoûté de pas avoir suivi Pete, les gars.
Pete! No!
Je suis dégoûté d'avoir suivi Nick, les mecs.
We have to go!
You could have saved him. How could you just leave him?
Ah, là, pour le coup, j'ai vraiment fait un choix de merde, alors que je fais que des bons choix dans tous les jeux à choix, frère. Carré, ça drop direct. Ah, ça va pas durer longtemps. C'était sûr, hein. Ça allait pas tenir longtemps. Tu me fais quoi, là?
Nick!
Eh, c'est la petite de 8 ans qui dit au mec de faire un truc.
What are you doing? Nick!
Clem, c'est vraiment une grave. Enfin! Merci, Nick! Ça va tenir? Est-ce que t'es dingue?
Are you crazy?
Maybe. Why'd you leave my uncle? Back at the stream.
Je te faisais
Why'd you follow
confiance.
me?
Pete a été mordu.
Pete got bit.
What?
He got bit. He wasn't going to make it.
Vas-y, je vais la sûreté, non?
What do we do
Remettez un
now?
petit carton en plus.
I don't
Une
care.
petite boîte.
If we're stuck here, we should at least look around. Maybe we can find something to help us get out of here.
Knock yourself out.
Genre ces petites planches là. Les planches qui traînent là. La mettre au milieu serait sympa, non? Faut pas le faire. Alambic. Que fout un alambic ici? Wesh.
It's still.
I know what it is.
The fuck you do.
Okay, what then?
It's for making booze. But that rig ain't fit to piss in.
Ok, l'alambic, y a rien à gratter. Bougez la planche.
What is that stuff? Let me see.
Ça peut être fameux. Ah, lui, il a vraiment aucun instinct de survie, les gars.
Whiskey.
Now what?
Oh, fuck if I know. We wait, I guess.
Et dans le chat, merci à ceux qui ont joué au jeu et qui me rassurent en me disant que ça servait à rien de sauver Pete, il y avait rien à gratter avec lui. Merci les mecs. Wesh. Il lui arrive quoi, lui? Il est bourré ou quoi? Ouais, mon gars, ouais. Mon problème.
What's your problem?
Ah, il est chez tout, les gars, ça y est, c'est fini. L'Agnol l'a eu, les mecs.
I had to kill my mom. Sounds weird when I say it out loud, huh? Luke always used to push me. I never
Qu'est-ce que
wanted
j'ai
to
fait
go into
pire?
business with him.
J'ai tué
I
mon père.
remember when he sold me on it. His big plan. Some fucking plan. Case of beer in, he just said, "Nick, we're burning daylight." And that was that. After 6 months, we were flat broke. I didn't care. We were having fun. I wish I was like him. I wish I could just keep moving all the time. I'm just not built like that. Everyone I grew up with, it all happened to them. Now, it's gonna happen to us. We're all so fucked.
Putain, tu réponds quoi à un mec qui est bourré, frère? Faut pas leur parler à ces mecs. Théma, il commence à parler du meurtre de sa mère. Faut y aller avec parcimonie. Je pense que le silence, c'est la meilleure des réponses face à un mec grébou. Il faut juste qu'il parle.
This whole world is fucked.
Lui donner raison. Lui donner raison, il va juste récupérer un bout de verre qui est par terre, il va commencer à se tailler les veines, les gars. Wesh. Quand il est dans sa phase déprime, le monde, il est foiré, il n'y a plus rien à gratter ici.
Jesus. I mean, what's the point?
Voilà, faut juste
Just
le laisser
march to
parler, les
some
gars.
new place and somebody else will die. It's never gonna stop. Eventually, it'll be our turn. I can't believe we've been here a day. A day. It's been a day, right?
Je crois que ça fait même pas 12 heures,
Ok.
frère. Hein.
Have a drink with me.
Vas-y, il est vraiment foiré
It's
jusqu'au
gonna be
bout.
your first and your last.
Clem, première rapta, les gars. Clem, première rapta, les gars. Première rapta de... première rapta de Clem à 12 ans.
No thanks.
Non, faut rester lucide, les gars. Première boisson, les mecs.
Listen, they're not coming for us. You should go. Run for it.
What are you gonna do?
Stay here. I'm tired. Go find Luke and the rest. They'll take
On
care
peut le
of you.
faire.
They're good people.
We can make it. We have to try.
I don't have to do anything.
Waouh. C'est vraiment foiré, les gars. Quand un mec est déprimé comme ça, faut le prendre par la main. Viens avec moi.
Are you kidding? And leave all this?
You can't just sit here and die.
Why not? What does it matter?
You still have Luke and everyone else. They're family. Nick, I need your help. Please.
Allez, si tu veux, récupérer une
Right.
boisson avec toi, si tu veux. Voilà. On a raisonné le rapteux, les gars.
Yeah.
Vas-y, prends-en une avec toi. Ah, il sert
Now look,
vraiment à
if we
rien, les
get
gars, je crois.
separated, cabin's
Déjà
only
que
half a
quand
mile
il était
from
à
here.
jeun, c'était une catastrophe.
Can't
Alors là,
miss it. You ready? Fuck it.
wesh.
Fuck you, motherfucker.
Il a pas duré, lui, les gars, je crois.
Oh shit.
Ah, je reconnais un perso qui meurt vite, les gars.
Hey, over here. Come on, you fucks. Look at me.
Oh, les gars.
Get the fuck out of here.
Se sauver, je vais mettre Benji. Wesh. Hein? J'ai appuyé, les gars. Oh non, les gars. On va se retaper un P-word, là.
You're right.
Non, les gars, ce ne sont pas le genre de mots qu'on veut entendre sur Twitch.
Now look, if we get separated, cabin's only
Les gars,
half
je
a
vais
mile
tellement
from here.
Benji. Désolé, Nick, mon
You
frère.
can't miss it.
Je vais pas prendre le risque que tu lâches le P-word sur ma chaîne Twitch, désolé.
You ready?
Et il est tellement parti en suicidaire, les gars. Il s'en bat les coups.
Fuck it.
La Rapta, elle a tellement eu raison de lui, les mecs. C'est vrai ça, comment je suis mort avant lui, wesh. Vraiment, il les a insultés, il les a tapés.
Fucker. Oh shit.
Non mais les gars, si la petite elle revient sans l'ancien et sans Nick, ils vont me dire à la maison, mais c'est... Oh là là les gars, je crois qu'il faut... Désolé, je m'épose. Hein. Je sais que normalement tu dois enchaîner, tu dois prendre les décisions vite. Mais les gars, en fait, Clem, je commence à l'aimer comme ma fille, les gars. Je commence à aimer la pauvre Clem. Imaginez, je rentre à la maison sans Nick, sans Pete. Ils vont se dire, ok, c'est une donneuse de go, la petite. Peut-être qu'elle a 12 ans, mais elle donne le go, les gars. Elle est branchée sur Telegram. Putain, je crois qu'il faut que je sauve ce con, les gars.
Hey, over
Bon,
here.
les gars.
Come on, you fucks. Look at me.
Get the fuck out of here.
À se sauver, désolé, Nick. J'ai trop peur pour Clem. Il est pas mort pour rien, lui, les mecs. Lui, il est pas mort pour rien, les mecs. En plus, il est bourré. Ah, lui aussi, il fait de la vie. Insulte pas les zombies d'homosexuels, wesh, ils vont te tuer, frère. Oh putain, il est mort. Oh putain, je vais retourner à la maison sans rien.
Clementine, are you alright? Luke's not with you?
Where's Alvin?
What happened? It's been hours. Where are they?
We got attacked.
By who?
Walkers.
Jesus.
Pete got killed. I was with Nick, but
My God.
Where were you? Where were you exactly?
down by the stream.
We gotta go.
Just hold on a minute.
My husband is still out there. Get the guns. Luke and Alvin went out looking for you. I told them not to go. Damn it, Luke.
Ok, c'est parti.
Clementine, can you please watch Sarah?
C'est l'heure de la vendetta.
She's upstairs. Just distract her. And don't tell her anything.
Est-ce que je reste avec Sarah? Est-ce que je pars avec eux? Le problème, c'est que la petite Sarah, elle doit pas voir le monde de dehors, il l'a dit son père.
She gets nervous.
I'll take care of her. You can trust me.
Thank you. You'll be safe inside. Just don't open the doors for anything. We'll
Et
be
là,
back
Sarah, elle
soon.
meurt quand elle est avec
And
moi et Carlos me...
thank
Oh
you.
là là, il me désosse. Oh là là.
Say cheese! I found this under the house. There was all kinds of old stuff.
Ça change les idées de voir Sarah, les gars. Elle a rien à
It's
voir avec
so
cette
cool.
dunia, les mecs. Wesh.
Take one of me. Come on, take one of me.
Allez, bien sûr.
Sure.
Sure.
Get me in a good pose, okay? Okay, I'm ready. Take
Vas-y, fais
it.
un meilleur sourire. C'est nous, fais le sourire comme ça, elle me guette. Vas-y, c'est quoi ce sourire de visiteur là?
My
Vas-y,
face
fais un
hurts.
beau. Elle, le sourire de meuf qui sait pas qu'il y a des
What's
zombies
wrong?
dehors. Hein.
Where's my dad?
Le sourire à la oui, ma gueule. Ils sont à la
Clem,
pêche.
you're scaring me. They're just fishing.
I know that's not true.
Waouh. Oh putain. Elle est pas si conne que ça, la Sarah, les gars. Oula, oula, oula.
Sorry, I just need to. You want to see what I found?
Elle est tellement chez tout, les gars.
Will you show me how to use it? I couldn't find any bullets. If
Je crois que je
something's
préfère
wrong, I
croiser des
should know.
rôdeurs.
What if I have to use one?
C'est trop dangereux. Non.
Nobody tells me anything.
Sarah, je vais rien
It's too
t'apprendre, Sarah.
dangerous.
Everything is dangerous. I need to know sometime.
You
Après, tu me
should
diras,
let
je suis sûr
your
qu'à un moment donné,
dad
on aura
teach
besoin
you.
que Sarah le tire, les gars.
What should I shoot?
Don't do that!
Sorry, sorry. Maybe I could practice outside. There's that tree. Hey, Luke's back.
En fait, dans ce jeu, tout est fait pour que ça parte en couille. Là, on est deux petites filles dans une maison. J'ai peur de ce qui va se passer, les gars. Sarah qui a un 9 mm. Sarah est folle, elle a un 9 mm. Elle va peut-être tirer. Merde, elle a tiré. Soit elle va tirer sans faire exprès, soit elle va tirer sur Luc. Soit elle va vouloir jouer avec, elle va tirer, ça va tirer des rôdeurs. Et tout est fait pour que ça parte en couille, les gars. C'est qui là, celui-là?
That's not Luke.
Oh putain, donne le flingue, ta race.
Clem, I think I know him. He can't see me. You have to make him go away.
C'est qui, wesh? C'est Norman, pourquoi elle a peur comme ça, elle? C'est qui?
Who is he?
I don't remember.
Oh.
Clem, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Shh.
Donne le flingue.
Hello?
Il y a un pointeur, cousin. Pourquoi elle touche, là? Pourquoi elle veut ouvrir la
Anybody
porte?
home?
Elle fait quoi, Clem, là? Elle fait quoi, Clem? Pourquoi elle veut ouvrir la porte? Verrouillé. Oh, la pute.
Hello there.
Get out of here, now.
Is that how your dad taught you to greet a neighbor?
I've got a gun.
A smart girl. I would too. But I'm not a bad guy, honey. Promise you that. My family and I are set up a ways downriver. I'm kind of surprised we haven't run into each other yet. What's your name?
Ouvrir la porte.
Hello, I'm sorry to
Putain.
disturb you. I only need a couple minutes of your time.
Mais il fait quoi, là?
This is a nice place.
Vas-y, nique ta mère,
Is
ça, le
there anyone
pointeur,
else
va.
around? You don't usually see cabins this big out here.
Oh là là, j'aime pas être comme ça, les gars.
Sure
Pourquoi la porte, elle s'est pas fermée, les gars, wesh?
could pack a lot of folks in there.
I'm alone.
Really?
Yeah, I take care of myself.
Well, I'm impressed.
Je veux dire, je suis seul comme ça, il perd méfiance.
Well, I'll cut to the chase. I'm out looking for my people. 7 of them, to be exact.
En disant que je suis seul, il va perdre méfiance. Et à tout moment, Sarah peut le tirer dessus.
They've been gone a long while, and I'm worried they might have gotten lost. Maybe you've seen them. Couple of farm boys and an old man. Spanish guy and his daughter. Quiet girl.
Un Espagnol et sa
Bit taller
fille.
than you.
Carlos?
Big black guy. This big.
That's a lot of people to lose.
Tell me about it.
Et Clem, arrête de trop lui parler, il va commencer à trouver que t'es mature. Vas-y, s'il te plaît.
This whole damn thing's a pain in the ass.
Prends-lui son flingue, prends-lui son flingue. Sors un couteau, Clem, là.
A lot of plates for one person. Looks like a tornado ran through here.
I don't ever do the dishes.
Yeah, well, believe me, I don't either. Just passing through, or you been here a while? Hey, listen, kid, I hope you're not one of those nuts headed up north, looking for Shangri-La. I'm not sure why you'd go anywhere after finding this place.
Where do you live?
Yeah, down by the river there. There's a sweet little spot with a boat where we pitch camp.
Depuis, tu crois que tu payes le
Got a
loyer
few
ou quoi?
tents
Vas-y, enlève
up
tes
and
mains
everything
d'ici, là.
else.
Oh putain, j'aime pas. Les gars, wallah, c'est pas bien de me faire prendre des choix en étant une petite fille devant un pointeur, les gars. Aucun choix est bon, là. Il n'y a aucun bon choix, frère.
Like I said, I'm
Je gagne du
surprised
temps,
we
les gars.
haven't run into each other.
How long
gagne du
have
temps,
you
les gars.
been there?
Been there for a good while now.
Really?
Autant qu'ils perdent méfiance et que je sorte le couteau. Oh putain.
Where does this go?
Oh, I'll take it.
Ok. Prendre le couteau, c'était vraiment pas un bon choix, les gars. Ça aurait juste montré que je suis agressif.
Oh, this is a real nice place. Kinda cozy. I knew a guy that always wore shirts like this. Doctor. Real smug son of a bitch. But a
Eh,
smart...
Sarah, t'as une arme, il traite ton père de fils de pute, là. Qu'est-ce
What
qui lui est
happened
arrivé?
to him?
Let's just say we had our differences. Sooner or later, people close to you will find a reason to cross you. Happens every time. Well, White's in trouble. 3 moves away from checkmate. What was that?
Vas-y, arrête de poser des questions, cousin, t'es pas chez toi. Tu crois que t'es chez toi ou quoi? Pose des questions comme si tu payes le loyer. Vas-y, casse ta race ici, là.
I thought you said nobody's here.
Nobody is here.
Oh là là. C'est une dinguerie de faire ça comme... C'est une dinguerie, ça, les gars.
I told you, nobody's here.
Seems that way. Didn't mean to be rude. Couldn't just leave you here with a good conscience if someone was poking around, right?
Sure.
Oh, tu regardes quoi, là?
Who's this?
Oh, la photo de malade.
Must be someone who lived here.
Must be.
Vas-y, Clem, porte tes couilles, fais un truc. Vas-y, Clem, t'as du vécu.
You have no idea who these people are, do you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Let me ask you this. When you met them, how much did they trust you?
Où voulez-vous en venir?
What's your point?
If people don't trust you, how can you trust them? Well, I think I've troubled you long enough. I can let myself out.
Il est pas si bizarre que ça, en vrai de vrai.
Wait, who are you?
You have a real good day now.
Et tes conneries de photos, toi?
Where is he? He's gone. What if he comes back?
Ça se trouve, les gars, c'est pas un pointeur, hein.
We need to find the others. We can't go outside.
Clementine. Sarah.
Ah, mais
You were
si
with
si
Nick,
je dis à
right?
Carlos qu'un homme est venu
We
à la
gotta go
maison, il
find
a
him.
fait ce qu'il voulait.
A man was here.
What?
What did she say?
Someone came to the cabin.
What?
Clementine talked to him.
And you just opened the door for him?
Calm down, Rebecca.
Calm down? I am calm. You calm down.
I didn't open the door. He just came in. She's telling the truth.
Did he say his name? Did he say what his name was?
Maybe it wasn't him.
You know damn well who it was.
Did he say his name?
I didn't ask his name.
Putain, je suis dans la
You
merde,
didn't
les
ask
gars.
his name? How could you not ask his name?
He had a gun. I didn't want to make him mad.
Look, Clem, just tell us what he looked like. What was he wearing?
Il,
Did he
il
sound
portait une moustache
different?
basse ici.
How old was he?
He had a mustache.
Like mine, or more like Alvin's?
It was droopy.
Comme la mienne un peu.
He talked about you, Dad. You're not gonna hurt anyone, are you?
Of course he won't, Sarah. Your dad's the nicest man I know, which is why he's not gonna do anything crazy or not nice, right?
You know these are bad people, sweetie. They will do or say anything to hurt us.
All right, what do you think? Did it seem like he'd be coming back?
He saw a picture of me.
A picture? What were you doing taking pictures?
Carlos,
What?
you need to calm down. All right, you're scaring your daughter.
Ok, je parle pas, je parle pas, je parle pas, je fais la fille qui a peur là.
Unbelievable. He was scouting. We got lucky. He wasn't expecting to find us. Clementine must have surprised him. She hadn't been there. Well, he was too smart to stick around, but he'll be back with the rest. We don't have much time.
Faut qu'on bouge là.
Everyone pack up. We're
Mais il
moving
fait peur
out.
à ce point ou quoi ce
Alvin,
mec?
wait.
We have to leave now, sweetie, before he...
Je vais pas dire qu'est-ce qu'il veut parce qu'il y a sa fille à côté. Faudra que je lui pose la question plus tard.
comes back with more bad guys. But it's gonna be okay. Let's just
Ok,
go
je
get
dois quand même
your
dire qu'est-ce
things.
qu'il veut.
What does he want?
To bring us back. Clem, I don't know what he told you, but William Carver is a dangerous man. He's the leader of a camp not far from here, and he's very smart. We were lucky to escape. Look, I'm sorry to involve you, but now that he's seen you, you'll be safer with us. We have to leave.
Les gars, un homme se mesure en fonction de la force qu'il a, ce qu'il fait avec. Il aurait pu faire ce qu'il veut de Sarah et moi. Il aurait pu faire toutes les choses possibles dans cette maison inimaginable. Il l'a pas fait et il est reparti serein. Pendant que Carlos, avec leur groupe armé, leur maison safe, ils veulent fuir d'un coup. Je crois que c'était... Finalement, c'est... Les gars, je retire ce que j'ai dit, c'est pas un interpoint, les gars. Carrément, les phases où je lui mens, mais c'est pas grave, il dit rien. Les phases où il cache le couteau.
Look, we gotta find Nick on our way out of here. You know where...
S'il aurait voulu la vérité, il l'aurait eu, les gars. S'il avait vraiment voulu savoir il y a qui dans cette maison, il l'aurait eu.
he was, right?
Yeah.
Il serait juste resté et attendu. Il aurait
Alright.
attendu.
Everybody grab your stuff. Let's hit the road. Now, you said it was just up here?
Il a vu la
Yeah,
veste,
just
la
a little
vaisselle,
ways.
la photo. Et il a rien dit.
Clem, sorry if I gave you some shit back there.
Et en plus, elle baise avec tout le monde, elle.
I'm just a little on edge. It's just a tough
Je peux pas
time
faire
right now.
confiance à
with
une...
the
Les gars,
pregnancy
je
and
peux pas
all.
faire confiance à une meuf qui supporte...
You and Alvin can probably relate.
qui trompe son mari en plein
Why is
apocalypse zombie,
Carver
les gars.
after you?
After me? Oh, you mean us? It's a long story. He has a hard time letting go. I know you did your best back there. You know, none of us would make it on our own. Sometimes it's hard knowing just how
Chose de savoir
dependent
que
I
je
am on
suis
everyone.
indépendante de tous les autres.
I'm not used to that.
Je suis pas,
I'm not comfortable with
je suis pas à
that.
l'aise avec ça. Moi, de
I'm
base, c'est une
supposed
boss
to be a
lady de
mom
base.
soon. Guess I need
Pour
to
cette
work on
maman,
my
bientôt, je
patience.
suppose que je dois prendre...
Alvin and I still don't know what to call her. Or him if that man gets his wish. God help me. Any ideas? Clem?
Elle a fait l'amour avec William Carver.
There. That's where we were.
Ça se trouve, il a survécu, les gars, Nick. hein.
Nick!
Wesh.
Get the door.
Il a survécu? En fait, lui, c'est que sous Piave, je crois. C'est Rock
Hey,
Lee.
man. You got any aspirin?
Nick,
Comment
you
il a survécu,
asshole.
les gars, wesh? J'espère qu'il s'est souvenu que c'est lui qui a fait le fou.
Pete's dead.
I know, man, I do.
Me dis pas, il était
We gotta
bourré, il
get
s'est pas
moving.
rappelé de ce qu'il s'est
Okay,
passé.
Carver's gang showed up. Can you make it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good, let's go.
Ok, ça va. Il pose pas de questions par rapport à ce qui s'est passé.
Hey, Clem. I just wanted to say, thanks for not giving up on me.
Désolé pour Pete.
I'm sorry about Pete.
Yeah. Thanks.
Les gars, Nick, je vois bien. Je vois bien avoir une belle évolution. Wesh, wesh, mon gars, ouais, viens devant, mon gars.
What happened back there in that cellar? Did he do something stupid? Look, you can
Il
tell me.
m'a sauvé la vie.
I'm just looking out for him.
Nick saved my life.
Really?
Yeah, sort of.
I'm worried about that kid. Keep an eye on him for me, would you?
Eh, ça me donne des
Sure you
responsabilités.
still
hein.
want to come with us? Look, I know we got off to a rough start, and I can't make any promises it won't get rougher, but we all know you now.
Ok, je
We
parle
may
pas.
not be perfect, but we look out for each other.
Le silence est une réponse valable, les gars. J'écoute
I
ce que les
figure we
anciens
got
me
about
disent.
4 or 5 days to reach those mountains. Now, if they're tracking us, we should be able to lose them up there.
5 days?
It's gonna be okay, Beck.
We have to keep moving now. It's our only choice.
Ouais, Nick, mon gars, tu marches comme un zombie un peu. Hein. Nick, t'as la. Hein? Tu marches comme un rôdeur un peu, toi. Il est où Nick là? Je dois garder un œil sur lui apparemment. Vu que j'ai 12 ans, je dois gérer des mecs de 30 ans.
She better see something. We've been walking for a damn week.
Ah, Clem, c'est vraiment la fille à
Got to
Lille, les
find
gars,
some
elle fait tout.
shelter.
Hein.
There's a lift or something.
Chairlift? Must be that ski resort.
I've never been skiing.
Beck and I went once.
It wasn't pretty.
Des petits souvenirs d'amour.
Here, eat this, Beck.
There's a building on the
Ah, j'ai
mountain.
hâte que l'enfant
What's
il
it look
sorte et
like?
qu'il soit tout blanc.
It's big.
That sounds like a good place to spend the night.
Le chalet, il y a déjà tout là. Il doit y avoir tout le monde dedans là. Si chalet, les gars, s'il n'a pas été pris ce chalet, on est tellement bien.
There's a little house by the
Okay.
bridge.
Lui aussi.
How big is it?
It's pretty small.
Bah, t'es gourmande, ça va, elle passe bien la maison là.
There's the bridge.
And does it look passable?
I think so.
Good.
We have to cross that bridge. Let's go.
Hold on now. We can't all go sprinting across that thing, okay? We get spotted out there, we're gonna be trapped.
Going around that lake will take too long.
Right, but look, we've got no idea who's out there. Okay, I'm gonna sneak across, make sure it's clear before we bring the whole group over.
You think
Well,
splitting up the
allons-y.
group is a good idea?
Well, I never said it was a good idea, but it's better than risking everyone at once.
What's your plan?
Clem and I can scoot across low and slow, make sure nobody's waiting for us on the other side.
We'll have a tough time covering you from back here.
Well, we'll just turn back if it gets hairy.
Clementine should stay here.
She's what?
She's just a little girl, Luke.
She's a valuable little girl. I mean, hell, if she can sew up her own arm, she's fit to cross a bridge.
Ah, les gars, je sais pas quoi en penser. Pour une fois, ils disent ouais, c'est une petite, mais vas-y. Ça y est maintenant. M'avait envoyé bosser, m'avait envoyé. Ça m'a enfermé tout seul alors que j'étais malade. Mais j'ai pas envie d'offenser Carlos qui a voulu me soigner et tout, les gars. Je vais juste dire je peux le faire. J'offense ni Carlos ni personne.
Got a point.
I can do it.
See? No problem. It's gonna be fine. Okay, we'll signal you guys in 10 minutes. Just watch for a light at the far side.
I can go too.
Oula.
You stay with the group.
I'm fine, Luke.
I don't like this.
Yeah, well, when's the last time you liked anything, Carlos?
If something happens, I'll cover you.
Come on. Hey, sorry about that. I could really use your eyes, and right now I don't trust Nick to tie his own shoes. They're just still on edge after the Carver thing.
It's been 5 days. Why would Carver still be following us?
Qui se fout du Carver?
What's the most important thing in this world? What does everyone want?
Une famille?
Even the gangs. You know, what do you think they're all after?
Family.
It's a
D'avoir
tough
la
world
réponse
out there
naïve.
without people you can trust. Anyways, you can ask Rebecca, okay? I'm not gonna get in the
Nick,
middle of it.
s'il était infecté, on le
We've
saurait.
all
Ça
made
fait 5 jours, les
mistakes.
gars.
Done things that we regret.
On est des
It's
gens
not
de...
my place to talk about someone else's past, you
On se
know?
focus sur l'objectif.
Seems like we're already in the middle of it.
Tell me about it.
Ah merde, ça n'a rien à voir avec le coup. Les gars, quand le gosse de Rebecca va sortir, faudra être là.
Can't
Quand
shoot
Billy
'em.
va sortir les mecs.
Too much noise. There are only two.
Quoi tu penses?
What do you think?
I think we can take them. I'll take the big one. You get Shorty. Wish we could use guns. We should be okay,
Attendez, c'est lequel le gros?
I think.
I've got the big one.
Hey, kid. Look, it's not like I don't know you have guts, but are you crazy?
Maybe I am.
Just stick with the plan, okay?
On voit le coco du chef. Merci.
Ho!
Go ahead. Give it a good pull. It should come free.
I know. I've done this before, remember? In a shed.
Hein, tu baisses ta tête, enfoiré. Hein.
Nice work, kid.
Ow.
Et l'ambiance stressante, je ne reviens pas. En vrai, on peut passer sans... Ah non, bah non. Ah non, je suis con,
Shit.
faut libérer le passage avant que les autres viennent. Moi, ça se fait, là. On fait d'abord le premier qui est tout seul. Wesh!
Clem! I'm okay. I'm stuck.
I can't reach.
It's okay. Clem, look, we'll figure something out. Behind you!
Oh shit.
Il y a tellement mieux à faire que juste les frapper. Ok, déjà un qui est réglé. Oh là là. Vas-y, récupère la machette. Il y a tellement mieux à faire que ces choix de con là. Elle a juste à courir, wesh. Elle court le long du pont, c'est réglé, wesh. Pourquoi ils aiment pas courir dans ce jeu, frère? Pourquoi ils courent jamais dans ce jeu? Prends la machette, cousin. Prends le tuyau en vrai. Viens le tuyau ici. Dans le torse. C'est stratégique. Voilà.
Here, give it here.
Ils aiment pas courir parce qu'ils sont essoufflés pour une traction, wesh. Dis-moi comment il est mort. Et il a escaladé vite fait un petit truc et il s'est mis
Let's keep going.
il s'est mis à genoux pour respirer. Abusez pas, les gars, wesh. Et il y avait 30 000 choix bons à faire. 30 000 bons choix à faire. Ça va envoyer des coups de marteau dans la tête. Cours sur le côté, c'est réglé, wesh.
You see him?
Oui, que je le vois, wesh.
Yeah.
Just
C'est
play
qui
it
encore
cool.
lui?
You do the talking.
What? Why me?
So I don't want to get in a fight. You really think he chewed a little girl? Just don't make any sudden moves.
Il est Carter.
Don't
Il est Carter.
piss him off.
Is he with Carver?
It's
Non,
hard to
pas Snow.
see. I don't think so.
Well, who are you?
Well, who's asking?
I am.
Je me sens perdu.
Wanna
Qu'est-ce que vous
help me
voulez?
out here?
What do you want?
Saw you coming, and I thought I'd meet you halfway.
Il m'a l'air cool. C'est mon instinct, ça. C'est mon instinct qui vous le dit, les gars. Juste un mec qui s'inquiète pour sa santé.
You don't look like assholes. Are
Come
you
on.
assholes? No offense or anything, but you know how it is out here.
Je ne suis pas... On est juste
Run
des
into a
gens.
lot of assholes.
We're just people.
Fair enough. You folks headed north like everyone else?
Ouais, il m'a l'air
Everyone
rigolo, les
else?
gars. wesh.
I see at least one group a day move through here. You all look the same. It's like a great migration of the dazed and confused.
Do you know Carver?
Carver? Like George Washington Carver? The peanut guy?
Au culot, je demande à
What?
s'ils connaissent Carver.
He's a man.
Never heard of him. But no, I want some peanut butter though. I gotta say,
Il m'a l'air tellement
you
cool, les
two
gars.
look like shit. If you need food, I've got some canned stuff in that station back there.
Well, that's awful nice of you. What's the catch?
No
Il m'a l'air
catch.
trop gentil, les
I've
gars.
got
c'est bon.
plenty.
Well, all right then. Thank you.
Hey, no problem. Nice running into friendly faces out here. Like I said, I've got food and supplies back in the station. And if you want... What the fuck, man?
What the hell is he doing?
Non, non, lui.
No.
Oh,
he's
no.
he's with us. Nick! No!
Put it down!
Don't shoot!
Did I hit him? Where is he?
I told you not to shoot.
What? Who was that guy?
Why did you shoot?
He pointed a gun at me.
Damn it, Nick! I told you not to shoot.
How was I supposed to hear you? You gave me a clear shot.
That shot rang out for miles. We gotta get off this bridge. Let's go.
Oh là là, la régène de Kenny et de Ben devant moi, frère. La régène d'Epstein. Oh là là, les gars, je peux pas me le voir. J'ai même plus d'émotion, j'ai même plus envie de réagir.
What's that back there?
I don't know.
Looked like he had a gun on you. That asshole drew on me. He was about to shoot.
Oh, was he?
I'm telling you, man, he drew first.
Well, that's not what it looked like to me.
Everybody calm down.
What did you see, Clem? Was that guy gonna shoot? Fuck you, Luke. You've been on my
Il
case
n'allait
the
rien
whole
faire du
week.
tout,
He
frère.
wasn't gonna do anything.
I know what I saw.
Either way, you could have hit one of us.
Yeah, but I didn't.
Look, I know Pete was close to you, Nick, but you
Don't
can't.
fucking talk about him.
En plus, on a
You think
perdu
he
un.
was with Carver?
I don't know. No, I don't think so. But he fell over.
He fell off the damn bridge?
We have to keep moving.
I can't. I need a minute.
Fine.
Ah, vas-y, toi, ton vieux fils, là. Ton vieux
Luke,
gosse.
can I talk to you alone?
Le mec, je comprends pas, quand fallait sauver son oncle, il savait pas
Hey,
viser,
Clem,
il savait pas
You got
tirer.
anything to eat?
Là, c'est devenu un sniper, frère.
Alvin, I told you I'm fine.
Wesh, dans la
Sorry,
gorge, comme Charlie,
I'm out.
wesh. Faut pas abuser,
Wish we
frère.
still had those juice boxes.
Yeah, me too.
En plus, il avait des cacahuètes pour nous, en plus,
Man
le gars.
said he
wesh.
had food in the station.
Mind checking it out? Maybe we could spend the night here. A little small for us, though.
Moi, si tu vas pas voir
You
toi,
could
toi.
use a little downsizing.
Why don't you go look?
I'm going to sit with Beck here for a minute.
Alvin, I told you I'm fine.
I'll be right behind you.
Oh là là. Je savais même pas qu'il était là. J'avais zappé qu'il était là tellement il sert à rien. Et il est venu que pour tuer un mec gratuit, frère. Il vient me faire la face dépressive qui veut suicider.
Thanks a lot for
Oh.
backing me up there. I'm sure they're talking about me right now. Luke, he's becoming a danger to the group. So who was that guy? I swear. It looked like he was holding you guys up.
C'était juste un
I
mec.
figured he was with Carver.
He seemed nice.
Damn. If Alvin is in front of me, he takes that shot. What a fucking mess. Maybe I am losing it. I don't know anymore.
Faut que je le rassure encore une fois, les gars.
God, I'm hungry.
Les gars, lui, ce
What
genre de
time
mec,
is it anyway?
il fait de la merde tout le long. Mais à la fin,
Damn.
il propose un
What's
classique.
wrong?
I left my watch back at the cabin. It was Pete's.
Oh putain, mais il rate tout, les gars. Même
He
la
gave it
montre.
to me. That's all I had left of him. You know what? I'm gonna go talk to them.
Ah, les gars, il va tellement. Oh là là, j'ai peur de ce qu'il va proposer, lui. Hein. Ce sera pas un rôdeur qui va en finir avec lui. Je crois que c'est lui-même, le mec. Ah, regarde à la porte, on ouvre direct. Nous. Ah, je suis dégoûté, les mecs. Qu'est-ce qu'il a proposé là? Je sais pas si j'aurais pu. Je pense pas que j'aurais pu sauver le truc.
The man said he had lots of food. There's gotta be something left.
Ah, je vous jure, les gars, j'en ai rien à cirer qui culpabilise. Hein. Ah, c'est
I
mérité que vous
don't see a
restez.
key around here. That man probably had it.
Ça, on récupère. On se rappellera ses initiales au mec. WM.
Feels pretty good.
De la conserve, là. Elles ont pas l'air vidées, en plus.
I guess he slept here.
Il avait son petit lit, ses conserves. Sa petite radio, le pauvre. Il est mort trop
It's
tôt, lui.
dead.
Par contre, l'ancien, tu nous as dit qu'il y avait à manger, wesh. Tu nous as dit qu'il y avait à manger, frère. Eh, le jeu, il joue tellement avec nos couilles, les gars. Skin. Il avait ses petits livres, sa conserve. Il lisait le Hobbit, frère. Il avait la même moustache que moi. Toi, tu viens maintenant, toi? Quand je vous la, ça y est, quand je trouve la conserve?
I thought we had it bad. Look at this dump. Guess he did have food. Man, fuck Nick. Nick's lost a lot of his
Fuck
people,
Nick.
that's for sure. But that doesn't give him any excuse to
Il
start
essaie de
shooting
nous
up
aider, les gars.
strangers.
He was trying to
On va
help
quand même
us.
sauver Nick.
Yeah, and someone died.
Quitte à ce
I
que ce
ain't
soit
no
la
judge,
merde,
but that's
autant que ça
straight
sorte le
up
moins
murder in
mauvais
my book.
possible.
I mean, you ever known anyone to do a thing like that?
Comment ça, une femme de notre groupe?
I don't want to
On va
talk
jouer la
about
paix, on va
it.
se la jouer peace.
That's funny. She looks just like you.
Tiens. C'est surtout le portrait de ton
Hey,
fils. Hein.
Clem,
Il va arriver là.
there's not a lot
Le
of food
Blanco.
here, and
C'est pas le père.
Rebecca, well, she's eating for two. You think we can keep this just between us? I hate to even say it, you know, and I'd never go against the group.
Yes.
But I've got to put Beck and the baby
C'est
first.
quoi, les gars?
You understand, right?
On va pas laisser le
I'm
temps de réfléchir.
sorry. I shouldn't have put you in that position.
Ok, c'est bon,
It's a
l'ancien, il est
shame.
raisonnable.
Nick was a good guy. He's still a good guy. He's just losing it. God knows we're not perfect. Hell, I'm glad you're with us, Clementine. The hell is that?
Walkers.
We got a problem here.
Me dis pas que c'est le tir de Nick qui les a,
Yeah,
qui les a ramenés.
All right, we're heading up.
Les gars, le groupe, il est KO de ouf. Même le mari veut pas que sa femme mange, les gars. Wesh. Le groupe, il est cataclysmique.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Le mari qui dit à une petite de 8 ans, vas-y, viens, on mange en secret. Ma femme, elle mange trop, ma femme. Elle est
Careful.
enceinte,
We've
c'est une
been on the
galère.
road for 5 days. My back is done being careful.
Doesn't look like anybody's home. Damn. Nailed down tight. I'll check around front.
I'll go with you.
Well, it'd be good to know if anybody's actually back there. Could probably get a better view from up top. You'd have an easier time getting up there. You feel like taking a look? It'd be just like climbing a treehouse.
Ok, j'ai vu une cabane une
Really
fois.
tall treehouse.
I had a treehouse once.
Ils veulent
There
que
you
m'envoyer
go.
en mission.
I hated it.
Oh,
Ils veulent que m'envoyer Barra. Ils veulent que m'envoyer taffer, j'en peux plus.
just take it slow, and I'll catch you if you fall. Probably. Got a good grip?
Yeah,
When I was a kid, we used to jump rooftops downtown. Now that was fun.
that sounds stupid.
Yeah. Yeah, it was. The trick was not to look down, though. Whoa, 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 you're fine. You're fine. Just look at me, okay? You're fine.
Une échelle,
All right,
franchement.
just slow
Clémentine.
down. Just for a second, okay?
You just told me not to look.
Clémentine, franchement.
Good point.
T'as eu de plus grosses épreuves quand même. Là, tu commences à nous faire chier, je crois. On est très gentil avec toi, mais tu commences à faire chier de ouf, là, je crois. Là, le corbeau, ça va être un screamer.
Made it.
La gueule du screamer.
You see anything?
I can see the bridge.
C'est allumé, quoi.
Wait, I see something.
What is it?
A light. But wait, there's another. Luke,
Ils sont tellement en train de nous traquer, les mecs à Carver, là. Wesh. Il passe quoi, là? En même temps, comme si le chalet allait être vide, les gars. Comme si le chalet allait être vide, genre. Tellement la position stratégique. C'est sûr, ça l'a pris.
Listen, everyone, just stay
Who
calm.
are you? Are you trying to rob us?
Excuse me, honey, but do I look like a fucking thief?
Everyone calm down. Hey, man, you calm the fuck down.
Sarah, get behind me.
Just tell us who you are. We ain't here to rob nobody. Put the gun down, man.
Fuck that! Whoa, 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 whoa.
Please, just do what he says.
C'est Kenny? C'est Kenny, wesh! Wesh! Ouais! Oh la dé! Putain de merde! Holy shit!
Kenny.
Wait, you know this guy?
C'est pas la gueule de Kenny!
Clementine?
Je vais me faire un câlin à l'ancien. T'étais une vraie petite merde dans la saison 1, mais je viens me faire un petit câlin. Ah, tu m'as fait chier à la saison 1. Hein. Ah, tu m'as bien fait chier à la saison 1. Hein.
I'll take that as a yes.
Clémentine, elle carry tellement ce groupe, les gars.
We can talk inside.
Great.
Ah, les gars, Kenny, c'est devenu un chef. Kenny, il gère son petit chalet.
Sure you don't
Il a son
mind.
petit groupe, il envoie les
Let's get a
ordres,
storm
il tient
soon.
le fusil.
Please, come in.
Il y a tout le monde qui a bien évolué, il n'y a pas que Clem, les gars. Et les gars, dans la saison 1, ce qu'il m'a proposé, les gars, la saison 1 de Redneck de merde qu'il m'a proposé, les mecs. Ça veut dire que la saison 1, vous avez dit Kenny c'est le GOAT pour son sacrifice. Même le sacrifice, il l'a raté, mais il est trop à chier, ce mec.
Kenny and Sarita have been staying with us for several weeks.
La petite
Used to
décoration
be a
et
ski
tout.
lodge, obviously, so we have plenty of food. And believe it or not, we still get some power from that wind turbine out front.
Ouais, cheminée, faites comme...
We
Ouais,
tend to keep most of the lights off at night to avoid drawing attention. But after we found this stuff in storage, we couldn't resist making an exception. What's funny?
Oh, nothing, Walt. Walter here's one smart sumbitch. Makes a mean can of beans, too.
Well, why don't you two catch up while I get some dinner started?
qui blague et
Please,
tout.
make yourselves at home. You can leave your things over there.
The hell we
Rebecca, je t'en
will.
supplie, fais pas l'amour avec
Yeah, I'm
Kenny, je t'en
holding on to
supplie.
my rifle. Thanks.
You're our guests here. There's no need to worry.
Tell him to put his gun down then.
Oh là
Kenny?
là.
Will you vouch for these people, Clem?
Non.
If you tell me they're good, then I'm good.
Us. You were the one waving a gun around, man.
We're cool, okay? Hey, we're cool. We're cool.
Everyone, calm down.
C'est Clem qui fait la médiatrice, les gars. Je suis choqué, elle a 10 ans. Wesh. Les gars, oubliez pas qu'il y a des lumières dehors, s'il vous plaît. Il y avait des lumières dehors, s'il vous plaît. Il y avait des mecs qui rôdaient, les gars, s'il vous plaît.
Isn't it great? We found it all in storage.
It's amazing.
Comment tu déposes ton fusil et tu gardes la machette? Comment tu peux dire, regarde, t'as l'ascendant sur moi avec ton fusil. Il y a le groupe d'humains qui vont arriver, ils vont trouver, ils vont croire que
Good.
il y avait un lama
If
de
you'll
Fortnite,
all
ma gueule.
follow
Ils vont
me,
voir
I'll show you
700
where you
armes,
can sleep.
de la machette, des sacs à dos. Trop un bon Kenny, frère. C'est pas Clem qui avait dit qu'elle voulait voir une cheminée? Bien, c'est moi, ça dans la vraie vie, je l'ai dit, j'ai confondu avec les souvenirs de Clem.
Still wearing this dirty old thing, huh? You know, I half expected to see Lee walk up next to you. You guys were like two peas in a pod. Oh, shit, I didn't mean to... It's just hard not to think about it, you know?
Pauvre Lee, man. Lee m'a sauvé.
He saved me.
Il faut en parler, il faut que sa mémoire, elle reste pas.
I knew he would. That guy had a fire in him, sure as shit. Hell.
Je pense à Wibe Kenny un peu là.
Lee and I had our differences, that's for sure. But when my son, well, he helped me do the right
Les gars,
thing.
Lee, putain, Lee.
I'll never forget that. So, where'd you end up?
J'étais avec Krista et Omid.
I was with Krista and Omid. Omid, well, Krista and I were together for a while, but these guys caught us. She's gone.
Sounds like it ain't been easy for you. I'm sorry, darling. I wish I could have
Ça m'a
found you
dit que je
sooner.
m'étais mort.
Krista told me you were dead.
I am. This is all a dream.
Tu blagueur.
Sorry, bad joke. Krista got in a hell of a mess. I gave her a hand and then it got messier. For a minute there, it wasn't looking too good for old Kenny. Long story short, I got lucky. Real lucky. Spent a long time alone after that. And then I met Sarita, thank God. Gosh, it's great to have you back.
You two catching up?
Clem, this is my girl, Sarita.
Whoa.
Ain't she beautiful?
Nice to meet you, Clementine.
Kenny, wesh.
Hey, Walt, where's Matthew? He's still out there rooting around?
Of course he is.
T'es remarqué direct.
Well, I'll start dinner.
Carlos, right? Mind if I steal your daughter for a secret mission?
Stay in sight, sweetie.
Can we do anything to help? Could use a hand outside. We got a lot
Il a
of
trouvé sa
supplies to bring in
Sarita.
before that storm hits. Sure. Clem, why don't you help Walt with dinner?
Latina. Une Latina après l'apocalypse zombie. Vas-y.
Hey, Clementine. Settling in well enough?
Yeah, thanks.
Excellent. Want to help me prepare a little dinner? So how do you know Kenny? He and Sarita have been a huge help.
On est
Matthew
de
and I
vieux
barely
amis.
knew what to do around here the first week.
We're old friends. I met him after it happened.
When he was with Lee? Yeah, he only told us a little. Connecting with people is so important. I don't know what I'd do without Matthew. Gosh, you remind me of my students. I can't imagine what it's like growing up in the middle of all this.
On me sous-estime. Bah non, vu que tout le monde m'envoie au charbon. Ça n'a pas été facile.
It hasn't been easy.
I can imagine. It's hard enough as an adult. Almost done. Would you do me the honor of tasting the first course, madam?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ça a l'air super.
Looks great.
It looks like mush.
No, it doesn't.
As an artist, there's nothing I like less than a friendly critic.
Ça, j'aurais dû dire la vérité.
Huh. Striking resemblance. Anyway, I'll take it from here.
Pas une petite casserole de loubia, les gars. Les lumières, Clem. Oublie pas les lumières, s'il te plaît. Oublie pas qu'il y avait des mecs qui rôdaient pas très loin. S'il te plaît, Clem. Oublie pas qu'il y avait un pont rempli d'humains.
Cousin Jared's concert, October 13th, 1998.
Lecteur CD. On va pas l'utiliser, les gars. Je vais faire du bruit. Il y a des gens qui vont
Reminds
arriver.
me of school.
Je vais aller voir Sarah, c'est rapide.
What's this song you're humming?
Good King Wenceslas. It's my favorite.
I
Christmas
haven't
song.
seen one of
What's
these
it about?
since.
Well, it's about
Moi
a
aussi,
king
Clem.
that brings food
Moi
to a
aussi,
poor
Clem.
man. Clem, we could use some help. Here, Sarah, you take this and string them up over there. You knew Kenny before. It must be incredible to see him again. When I met him, well, he's so different now.
Ça, de le voir.
But you must be so glad.
Comment vous êtes
So,
rencontrés?
how'd you meet Kenny?
I found him holed up in an old restaurant, if you can believe it.
Hold up.
You should have seen his beard then. Perfect. Now we just need the topper.
We always had an angel on top of our tree.
My family didn't celebrate Christmas, but I still love the decorations.
Non, mais les gars. Je sais pas à quel point ils sont safe ici, eux.
Why would they follow
Je sais
us?
pas à quel point ils sont safe pour envoyer sapin de Noël avec la lumière et tout.
Sure.
It's been a week, man. We gotta be out of the woods.
We can't be sure. They might be tracking us.
Tracking? Who do you think they are? Ninjas?
Clem, Luke said you saw some people in the valley.
People? Way down there. How?
I saw
lumières.
lights
Which way did they go?
back into the woods.
We cannot take any chances. We leave at dawn.
But we're safe here for tonight, right?
Clementine, you talked to that man Walter, right? What did he say? You didn't tell him anything about us, did you? We have to be careful. They could be hiding something.
He mentioned someone else.
Someone else? Who?
His friend. His name is Matthew.
Look, I don't care what that man said. We're staying here tonight.
Just talk to the rest of them. They trust you. See what you can find out. I'm gonna go
Enfin,
find
ces
Luke.
boucheries, les gars, Carlos. Je sais pas ce
Honey,
qu'il a
I
proposé,
don't
les
feel
mecs.
so good.
Beck, what's wrong?
I just need something to drink.
You got it. I'll be right back.
Mais non, mais vas-y, mais récupère-le. Tu fais quoi, Clem?
She looks so cool.
Beautiful. I used to love this time of
On a
year.
fait comme Sarah le voulait, les mecs.
You know, now that your friends are here, this place is starting to feel like a real home. Matthew and Walter are amazing people. Honestly, it's dangerous to be this kind, but they can't help it. Wait until you meet Matthew. He's a real character. The first time he met me, he called me Rita. So I call him Maddie now.
Ah, mais je suis trop con, les gars. Je dis n'importe quoi à Carlos quand il a dit, quand il a dit, ouais, ils ont parlé de Mathieu, je sais pas quoi. J'ai fait un choix de con, là.
It's kind of
Est-ce
our
qu'il revient,
little
Mathieu?
war.
When is Matthew coming back?
He should be back soon. Clem, I wanted to ask you, does Kenny seem different to you? I didn't know him before, and well, I'm
C'est le même
curious.
bon vieux Kenny, il est encore mieux.
He has good days and bad days like everyone else.
Il n'est pas
I
remarqué.
haven't noticed.
Ça fait 1 heure que je l'ai
Oh.
vu.
Well, let me know if you do.
Le revoir, ça fait à
Well,
peine 1
you
heure,
three
doucement.
have been busy.
Kenny, isn't it great?
I got it, hon.
I think I can manage, Ken.
I said I got it.
Wesh. Ah, il est sous trauma, l'ancien.
Always has to play the gentleman. But I'll tell you, when I met him, he couldn't lift a fly. Why don't you go see if your friends are ready for dinner, Clementine?
Ça fait au moins, les gars, 10 minutes que c'est une ambiance paisible, tranquille. Dans pas longtemps, ça part en couille, là. Là, Rebecca, elle va accoucher d'un coup d'un enfant blanc. Il y aura des méchants qui vont venir nous tuer.
Are you
Ils vont nous
okay?
prendre nos fusils à l'entrée parce que c'est
Just got a
ouvert.
little dizzy. I can't even take care of myself. How am I supposed to raise a child? I mean,
Ah, car tu comptes le garder,
how
le
can
gosse?
anyone now? Everything's so fucked up.
Ouais, c'est parti, Clem,
It's not
psychologie,
gonna
la
be
même
easy.
chose. Ça va pas être facile. C'est reparti pour la séance de psychologie alors que j'ai 12 ans, je dois parler des mecs de 30 ans.
I know it's gonna be hard,
J'expliquais à une femme que
but at
c'est...
the same time, I already feel a little less lonely. Because I know that no matter what happens, I'll get to meet someone new.
Putain, envoyé faire l'amour, cousine. Les temps sont
It's
durs, toi tu
taking-
bandes, ma gueule.
Wanna listen? That food smells
Oui, je
good,
peux.
huh?
Allez, on va
Can
faire la
I?
paix, on va faire la paix avec Rebecca.
She's gonna be a runner.
C'était doux quand tu faisais, hein. Quand tu faisais, c'était doux, hein.
If he finds out it's not his, he'll kill me. I don't know what to do. I can't believe I'm asking a little girl for advice. But I guess nothing's weird anymore.
I don't know what to say.
There's my man.
You all right, baby?
Ah,
I'm
that's my
fine,
man.
Big dope.
Ah, c'est ton homme.
Just need to get some food in you. Thanks for staying with her, Clem.
Well, everyone, dinner is served. Come on, let's eat.
Ouh là là, sauvegarde. Le jeu vient à peine de sauvegarder, les gars, ça pue. Ça sent le bouillon, ça, les gars, je reconnais, hein. Toi, ça fait longtemps de pas manger un plat chaud, là.
You okay, man? Yeah, just... I wish I hadn't pulled that trigger.
Just try to forget about it. Right here, Clem.
Ah, c'est vraiment la cantine, là. T'as vraiment... Oh, mais wesh, les gars. Même ça, je dois faire un choix. Même ça, je dois faire un choix, les gars. Ah, ils sont durs avec moi, là.
Here you go, Clem.
J'ai pris la première place. C'était plus
So,
proche de
Clem,
moi.
we were just talking. What's the deal with the kid? And what's his name? Luke? He in charge? You trust him?
Kenny, please.
Sarita, we don't know these folks.
They seem
C'est un type
nice.
bien. Moi, je veux dire la vérité, c'est un type bien.
I like him. He's a good guy.
Would you trust him with your life?
Mais Luc, faut le baiser. Je rêve où il a boudé quand je me suis assis chez avec Kenny. Je me suis assis avec Kenny, il m'a regardé en mode... Il est sérieux? On est en plein apocalypse zombie, la chatte à vorace. L'autre, elle fait l'amour avec un autre mec que son mari. L'autre, il boude parce que je me suis pas assis à sa table.
I think so.
Dans 5 minutes, il y a des mecs qui vont venir nous tuer, là. Qu'est-ce que je raconte, 5? Dans 2 minutes, là.
He said they were on the run.
Some people are after them.
Well, you don't have to worry about that no more. They'll go tomorrow and you can stay here.
Absolutely. Honey, you stay with us as long as you want.
She's staying for good.
Attendez. Wow. Je peux rester avec eux au chalet? Je peux rester près de la cheminée? Ok, merci, hein. Eh, ça me présente des choix de fou. Mais j'ai juré, Marwan, c'est n'importe quoi. Eh, des choix de malades mentaux, de trucs de fou. Et vas-y, j'ai 5 secondes pour répondre, je dois réfléchir vite fait. Après, les gars, c'est eux qui étaient en mode qu'est-ce qu'on va faire de moi et tout. Après, les gars, Kenny, il a une bonne équipe. Kenny, il est instable. La Latina, je compte pas sur elle. Et le Machu, bah, ça halalou bien, mais j'ai l'impression qu'il sert à rien. Luc, il m'a l'air réglo. Alvin, c'est un cocu. Rebecca, elle est enceinte, elle sert à rien. Carlos, il est endetté auprès d'un mec.
That's what she wants.
Of course she does. Right, Clem?
I'm tired of running.
Of course you are.
You don't have to run no more, darling.
Wesh.
Hey there.
Hey.
Hope you like the food.
Oh, it's great. Thank you.
Peaches and beans. Great for nutrition. Not too great on the way out, though, I tell you.
Ah, Kenny, en plus, il fait des blagues, les gars. Il y a des blagues avec Kenny. Il y a des blagues marrantes.
So, it's Luke and Nick. Luke and Nick. You guys sure do look like a match.
What's that supposed to mean?
I'm just saying you look like good friends, that's all.
So, what was your plan here? Hold out for the winter?
Actually, we were thinking of moving on. Somewhere up north. You ever heard of a place called Wellington?
Wellington? The hell is that?
A place.
What kind of place?
Yeah. Krista and I were going there.
Supposed to be a big camp up near Michigan.
Michigan?
You got a hearing problem, kid? Yeah, Michigan. Think about it. Fresh
Kenny, les gars,
water,
il a des
lots of
phases, Kenny, les
land,
mecs.
and cold
D'un
ass
coup, il devient
winters so
nerveux,
the
d'un coup, il
walkers
est
get
cool, d'un
slow.
coup, il est blagueur.
Bullshit.
Listen, Vanilla Ice, I don't know what your deal is, but you're more than welcome to take off in the morning.
That'd be just fine by me.
Wesh.
What's the deal with these guys, Clem?
Hey, fuck you, buddy. It's
Wesh.
fine, Nick. We're not staying.
She's staying.
Please, don't fight.
Il se passe quoi, là, les gars?
Gentlemen, please. There's no need for this. Now look, we've all had a long day.
Il y a Waib et Samy assis côte à côte, les gars.
Pass me that can, Duck.
Wesh.
Duck? Who's Duck?
Leave him alone, Luke.
Non,
Hey,
les gars, je peux pas
Clementine,
rester avec
would
lui, les
you
gars.
lend me a hand outside for a moment?
Ah, les gars, je peux pas rester avec lui, les gars. Non, 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 les gars, il a ses phases, les gars, je suis désolé. Hein. Ah, je préfère le groupe chaotique qu'un mec qui repense à son fils mort et à sa femme morte. Sa femme morte.
I'm
Non,
sorry
les gars, il est
about
touché,
that.
il est touché, il est touché, les gars, il
You
est
know, I
chez
used
tout.
to be a teacher, and I remember
Ah, les
what
gars,
it's
il est
like to
chez
be
tout,
caught
c'est
in the middle
compliqué,
of
là.
two cliques.
Ah, le choix va être très
I
rude, les
suspect
mecs.
they'll find common ground soon enough. It may
Pour une
take a
fois, je
little
voulais fêter
time,
Noël dans un
but that's
foyer
just how these
chaleureux, mais
things
c'est chaud,
work.
les gars.
Everything will be fine.
Pourquoi
Listen,
je suis dans ce
relationships
monsieur-là?
are like any machine. You don't throw them out when they break down. You get your hands dirty and you grease the wheels. What do you say? Will you help me work on them?
I want to stay with you and Kenny.
Then stay you shall. I know that'll please Kenny.
I missed him.
And he missed you, I can assure you. They say the world is over, but I'll tell you a secret. It's not. People are more political now than they ever were before. In the end, we can't change the world. All we can do is continue to learn from each other, to empathize, and use our heads. All war is a symptom of man's failure as a thinking animal. Steinbeck. Have you read him?
Évidemment, j'ai pas lu l'ancien. c'était-
Well, we have plenty of time to catch you up on your
J'ai
reading.
déjà lu l'ancien.
My partner
hein,
Matthew is amassing quite the literature.
Apocalypse Zombie, elle a commencé, j'avais
I think you'll
5
like
ans.
it.
Qu'est-ce que tu me racontes?
In any case, the point is,
Oh là
as
là. Mathieu, du coup, c'est celui qu'on a tué. Là, il parle de ses livres.
long as we have our wits about us, we can always make the right choice. Right?
Il n'est jamais aussi simple.
It's never that easy.
What's the matter, Clementine? Is there something you want to tell me?
Mathieu est mort, Michael.
You can talk to me, Clem. There's almost nothing you could tell me that would surprise me.
J'ai pas envie de l'inquiéter, le professeur, il paraît trop cool.
I can promise you that.
I'm worried about your friend. I think that...
Don't worry. Matthew will be back soon. And everything will be fine.
But I think...
Hey, kids, what are you two talking about?
Oh, politics.
The
Pas
hell?
l'appeler Niesta,
Well,
bande
being from
d'enfoirés.
Florida, I would imagine you know all about politics, Kenny.
Man, I know one advantage of living in the apocalypse is not dealing with that shit no more.
Bien dit ça, Kenny.
I was just gonna check the windows round back before this storm hits. Give us a hand?
Sure.
Wesh.
Miss?
Please, do you have any food?
Are you okay?
I saw the house and I have a family. We're starving. We live down there.
Of course. Why don't you come in, Miss...
C'est la meuf d'Interstellar, les gars.
Walt, I don't know. You just gonna let her in like that?
It's fine, Kenny.
We don't know this girl.
Then we'll have to get to know her. Right, Clem?
Walt.
How much damage can this poor woman do?
Check her for weapons.
Yeah.
Thank you. Really, but that storm will be on us soon, and I gotta get back to my family.
I'll bring something out to you then.
You don't have to do that.
No, it's fine.
What about your people?
We've got plenty. You stay put.
Arrête de courir de la réserve, l'ancien, wesh. Iniesta, s'il te plaît. Ah, c'est trop sympathique, là. Ça pue, les gars.
I have a little girl like you.
Mais en même temps, tu veux être gentil
How
avec
old
elle,
are
wesh,
you,
les gars.
sweetie?
C'est pas vos affaires.
I'm 11.
I would have thought older than that.
Wesh, gros, le carton, wesh.
Here you are, miss.
Ils vont
This
tellement
is
se faire
too
dépouiller.
much.
Ah, moi, les gars, je
Don't
reste pas
mention
avec eux, ils sont trop
I
gentils.
don't know how to thank you.
Just help someone else down the line.
Thank you so much. I'll be going now.
You stay safe.
You too.
Clem, go on inside and get to bed. Walt and I gotta
On
talk.
doit parler de seconde, il va l'enclencher, Kenny. Il est trop de gauche, Walter, il abuse, les gars, là.
Clementine, don't freak out.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a, lui?
Listen, okay, I gotta tell you something. That guy on the bridge was Walter's friend.
Oh, putain.
See, I knew something was off, so I asked Sarita about their friend. Now they're all worried he's not back yet.
I know he was.
Je vais
For
te dire,
sure.
désolé.
Damn it. Damn
Désolé,
it,
j'ai un coup
Nick.
d'avance.
I don't think Walter knows yet, so we have to keep this quiet. I mean, who knows what the hell he'd do if he found out.
What if he finds out anyway?
Well, then we're fucked. But, you know, we'll just deal with it then. Now, do you still have that knife? Because if it was Matthews and Walter sees it, he's gonna put two and two together.
It's with the other weapons.
Okay, well, go get rid of it. And I'll find Walter and run interference. Oh, and, keep an eye out for Nick.
I'm right here. What's up?
Oh, it's nothing, man. I just wanted to check and see if you're okay.
You coming to tuck me in?
We have to tell you something.
Hey, if there's something going on, I want to know.
Ça pue,
No,
les gars, là.
just go back to bed, Nick.
I'm serious. You guys can...
Non, les gars, j'ai envie de lui dire, histoire qu'il fasse pas la gaffe de dire devant le professeur, je l'ai tué. Mais j'ai peur qu'il voit la photo, il se met à pleurer, il commence à péter un plomb, à vouloir faire un mea culpa, à assumer et tout. D'un côté, j'ai peur de lui montrer la photo et il assume, il pète un plomb, il s'excuse devant le professeur pour laver sa conscience. D'un côté, j'ai peur qu'il parle d'un gars qu'il a tué comme ça sans être au courant et tout.
Talk to me.
I know.
What, you...
Et d'un côté, si je dis la vérité, il s'en souviendra. Oh là 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 là, les gars. j'ai déjà subi ça. Eh, les gars, première saison, Ben, il a pété un plomb pour aucune raison. Il a dit, ouais, désolé, j'ai merdé. Il a fait n'importe quoi. Oh.
You don't trust...
Les gars, je lui montre. Pour qu'il se responsabilise, les gars.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
God damn it. Hey, Nick, shut the fuck up.
I can't, man. I can't.
À Ken quoi? À
Do
Ken
not
quoi?
fucking blow it.
Blow it. It's over.
Oh
I
là
have to tell him,
là.
Luke.
What? No, hey, Nick, you cannot do that. Are you fucking nuts?
I gotta. I can't live with that on me.
Okay, I hear you, but I mean, fuck, man. Do you know what he's gonna do?
Either way is risky.
Exactly. Jesus. I can't handle this.
Look, Clem, just go do that thing.
Putain, les gars, j'ai oublié qu'il buvait de l'alcool. Ça se trouve, il va rien dire, mais dès qu'il sera bourré, il va avouer. Oh, je fais n'importe quoi, les gars. Vas-y, faut que j'aille récupérer le couteau, là. Avant que le professeur le trouve. En plus, le gars... Oh, il l'a déjà trouvé, je crois.
It's gone.
Il y a un monde, il l'a déjà trouvé, les gars. Oh là là. Ok, je crois que j'ai fait le bon choix pour une fois, les mecs.
Are you okay?
I always liked this knife. Gave it to Matthew when all this started. I know he's dead. Who did it? Was it that kid? What's his name? Nick? Heard him talking earlier, something about shooting a man. I could see it. I could see it on his face. Wasn't sure then, but now...
Only the truth.
It was us. It was our fault.
Jesus. I don't feel good.
Nick shot him.
Les gars, Clem, la direction que je lui fais prendre.
Is Nick a good man? Or is he just like everyone else? Is he just one of those fuckers that don't give a shit about anyone but themselves?
He is. He's a good guy, Walter. He saved my life.
He was always going out alone. I told him something like this would happen, but he wouldn't listen. No, Matt always knew best.
What's going on?
You need to tell him.
Tell him what?
What happened on the bridge.
Tell me what you did. Just tell me, son. Tell me what happened.
From a distance, it looked like anyone. I thought he was gonna shoot my friends, and I shot Matthew. It happened real fast. I didn't know if I hit him, but I did, and I didn't mean to.
Do you know what you've done to me? Do you have any idea?
I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Walter.
Walt, what's going on?
Qu'est-ce qu'on se fait sur les profs de lettres?
The storm's got it spinning out of control. That sound's gonna draw walkers. We gotta shut it down now.
Help me. Carry the guns.
Guns?
That thing's a damn dinner bell.
tellement pu faire de la télé ancienne. Et personne lui en aurait voulu.
Damn it! Transformer must have gone.
Ouais, vous envoyez les sapins de Noël, les gars.
I could use a hand. I'll go with you.
Apocalypse zombie, vous envoyez sapins de Noël, les gars.
It's too dangerous. Rest of you, get this thing shut down.
Does anyone know how to do this?
Eh, s'arrêter avec Carlos, moi je chip, hein. La grosse chip.
Okay, we'll watch your back.
Franchement, Sarita,
Nick,
elle va
scan the
mieux
trees.
avec Carlos qu'avec Kenny. Hein. Là, ça a tout briqué, là. Bouton d'urgence, non. Ah, du coup, Clem qui te fait même le bac Romelec à 8 ans. Eh, j'en peux plus, elle fait tout.
Something ain't right.
Yeah. We don't have much ammunition.
We gotta get back to the lodge.
They're behind us.
Qui a tiré encore là? Ok, tout le monde est d'accord. Il n'y a plus le choix de toute façon là. Ah si, en vrai lui. En vrai lui il se fait vite fait, wesh. Le marteau lui, ça va. Mais là c'est baisé là. Rien à faire, tu peux pas continuer à tirer là. Et Carlos il tire bien les gars. Le fusil wesh. Vas-y, allume-le. Tu te le fais, tu te le fais. Le recul de barbare. Non, faut recharger, je crois, dans un fusil. Ah, merci, Clem.
Somebody help me! Please help me!
Oh merde. Oula là 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 là. Wesh. Le prof de lettres il s'est tiré. Même lui il s'est tiré. Même la femme enceinte elle casse pas les couilles pendant que Nick a besoin d'aide. Bon les hommes d'or ils font le taf hein.
Clementine, are you okay?
Qui c'est une sulfateuse là? C'est un autre groupe là. Oh là là. Oh là là, c'était lui, c'était sûr. Ah, je suis pas prêt les gars. Les gars, je suis prêt pour ce qui va se passer. On les a aidés, alhamdoulilah. On les a aidés, les gars. Dieu merci, les gars, on les a aidés.
Where's Rebecca?
Carver.
Non, Carlos.
It's nice to see you
On n'est
too.
pas en position de force, Carlos. Carlos, s'il te plaît, Carlos. On n'est pas en position de force, Carlos.
Inside.
It's you.
Keep moving.
Sale pute. Vous voyez? Après, quand je vous dis que je suis un incel, vous me croyez pas, les gars. Dans le chat, bande de suceurs, vous avez dit elle a l'air inoffensive. Vous avez juste vu
Look at
drag
this
queen.
place.
Comment il sert à rien ce Renoir, les gars, depuis le début. Waouh. Comment il sert à chipette, les gars, je suis choqué. Hein.
Leave this fucking place, Bonnie? Power and everything. A lot of windows, though. It's fucking huge. Bill's gonna hate it. Now the rest of them could be anywhere.
En plus, elle m'a dit qu'elle avait une famille, elle avait une enfant.
Man, how the fuck are we gonna cover
fille,
these
pardon.
guys and look for them too?
Johnny, cover that window.
Elle m'a dit qu'elle avait une fille du même âge, ouais, je suis choqué. Lui, il est bon qu'à se cacher, ce mec. Elle a pas intérêt à coucher d'un coup, elle. Elle a pas intérêt à perdre ses os, elle. Et pas d'un coup, elle commence à sortir un enfant. C'est pas d'un coup, elle mange une césarienne, elle va pas faire chier, Rebecca. Un mec, elle crie, elle dit ah. Toujours sur ses gardes. Elle est où la petite? Elle est où Clémentine? Wesh. Il en veut à Carlos. Il a fait quoi Carlos, les gars?
Listen, I'm only gonna ask you once. Where's Rebecca?
Sarah, look at me. He's gonna be okay.
C'est qui Rebecca, les gars? Ah, wesh.
Rebecca! Our baby deserves to be raised in a place of safety. I know you're out there. And Alvin, and Luke, and the girl. This is real
C'est
simple.
Rebecca pour lui.
You want this over quick. You all play nice. And
Rebecca?
show your faces.
My dad,
Tu l'as fait avec lui?
He'll kill him.
No, Alvin.
We gotta go down there.
I can't do that.
Beck, the baby. You need a doctor.
No. Where's Luke and Kenny?
How the hell am I supposed to know?
They're still outside. They can help us.
He won't kill a doctor.
He'll do anything.
Il a goûté au Black Love. Aïe 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 aïe.
Clem can sneak out. Find Luke.
What the hell is she gonna do? And you heard him? Carver knows she's with us.
Just stop! Don't hurt my dad, please!
We're going down there.
He'll kill you.
Fuck you. Shoot him! Somebody just shoot him!
Clem, go get help.
He'll kill him, Beck.
He'll do it anyway.
You don't know that.
Say goodbye, Carlos.
Don't look, sweetie. Don't look.
Dad!
Je fais quoi là?
Nobody?
Il m'avait l'air réglo. Hein. Il m'a l'air réglo depuis le début, les gars, quand même. Il fait ça pour son gosse. Hein. Les gars, Rebecca, elle doit mériter ce qu'elle mérite, les gars. Elle veut faire l'amour avec n'importe qui, à un moment donné, il faut assumer, frère. Les gars, quand on a joué franc jeu avec lui, il a été... Ah non, vas-y. Dans la maison, il nous a pas fait de mal dans la maison. C'est-à-dire qu'ils s'en bat les couilles de nous faire du mal, de nous voler, de nous tuer. J'ai pas envie de mettre dans la merde Luke et Kenny pour rien, les gars.
Now that's disappointing.
He's gonna kill him. Rebecca, we have
Rebecca,
to give
vas-y,
up.
assume tes choix. Ça va. Vas-y. Tu sers à rien, t'es enceinte, ton fils, il va mourir, il va vivre dans un monde de merde. Vas-y, assume tes choix. Merci. Là, il a lâché Carlos directement. Tu peux faire l'amour avec tout le monde, toi aussi, cousine. Vas-y, assume tes choix, s'il te plaît. En plus, tu parles mal à une petite 12 ans.
You alright?
Oh,
Fuck you, Bill.
You don't want to do this. Please, let these people
C'est moi comment il est gentil ce mec.
Just shut up.
Clem, can you reach my hands?
Carlos, tranquille. Et ça va rien tes doigts, frère. T'as les doigts Izu.
Everything under control?
Ils vont me voir.
I can't. They'll see.
Wow!
Kenny! Don't move. I can't see him.
Watch them.
Non, pas lui, les gars, c'est le plus gentil, wesh.
No!
Wesh!
Please stop!
That's for our man. Now, I didn't want to do this, but you ain't leaving me much choice. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna march another one of your friends out here, and I'm gonna put a bullet in the back of their head. Or you can give up now.
Mais c'est quoi le problème avec cette saison là, les gars là? C'est quoi le problème là? Il se passe quoi là?
Hi, Alvin.
You motherfucker. Alvin!
Bill, no! Tell him to stop! Kenny, stop!
You remember George, Alvin? You see, I do. I remember a guy that was your friend named George. I remember when you murdered him in cold blood. And why? Because you didn't like me? You could have lodged a complaint. You could have been civil.
Bill, no! We'll do whatever you want.
I love you, Beck.
Bill, please!
Please, don't do this!
Enfin. Merci Kenny. Alvin, fais un truc, putain. Mets ton gros corps en opposition, pousse-le. Oh là 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 là.
Rebecca, don't look. Just don't look, Rebecca.
Kenny! Stop this!
Oh my God.
Oh la
Oh my
putain.
God.
Non, pas Sarita. Arrêtez les gars, s'il vous plaît, pas Sarita.
I can keep this up all night. We can do this all night. Is that what you want?
C'est quoi son problème à lui là? Mais il se passe quoi là les gars, wesh? Il y a plus de balles je crois dans son revolver. Ah ouais. Tu peux tuer Walter, mais tu veux pas tuer
Where's
Sarita.
Luke?
Sarita la vénézuélienne.
Finally cut and run, huh? Why am I not surprised? I warned you. I warned you not to follow him. Look where he's led you.
C'est quoi le contexte là? C'est quoi le lore là?
But you're safe now. We're going home. As a family.
Mais l'enfant il était pas voulu ou quoi? C'est quoi ces conditions de faire un enfant là? Elle est effrayée en le voyant là.
Alright, round him up. We're heading back to camp.
J'ai niqué la paix dans la famille. J'ai tué. Oh là là, il vivait tranquillement en paix, il fêtait Noël dans la paix. Ah, je suis choqué les gars.
I don't know if we could have saved Walt.
Ah, je suis choqué de la saison, les mecs. Et chaque épisode, il est plus dingue que le précédent. Et la mort de Walter en une fraction de seconde. Pour aucune raison, il l'a attrapé, bam, dans la tête. Gratuit, wesh. Bon, les gars, j'ai envoyé que de la majorité. N'empêche, cette saison, tu vois qu'on est toujours à moitié-moitié. Genre, on n'est jamais. Il n'y a pas de grosse majorité. La plus grosse majorité, là, c'est 62%. Et encore, c'est pas ouf. Là. que t'as blâmé Sarah pour les photos, 51%. Avec qui tu t'es assis pour le dîner? Je me suis assis avec Kenny, comme 63% des gens. Dire la vérité à Walter à propos de la vérité. Va dire la vérité à Walter à propos de Matthew. 55,6% des gens on a dit la vérité à Walter par rapport à Matthew. Nick's right? « 56,3% des personnes ont convaincu Walter de pardonner Nick. » C'est qui les bâtards? C'est qui les 40% restants qui ont convaincu Walter de pas pardonner Nick, genre? Genre, au point où on en est là. Tu vois que Walter, il est pas bien à cause de la mort de Matthew. C'est qui les enfoirés qui sont partis dire, c'est vraiment un bâtard Nick. Je te pardonne pas. Hein. Et apparemment, la moitié, un peu plus, mais vraiment un tout petit peu plus que la moitié, on est resté pour aider Carlos. On va faire les 4 saisons, je pense. Hein. Est-ce que ça a pas quelque chose avec qui il mange le soir? Je pense pas. Ah les gars, les cardio cette saison. Waouh. Bonne Mina. Ah franchement, les cardio cette saison, mais elle est bien. C'est que le début. C'est que le début, certes, mais en tout cas pour ce stream, c'est la fin, les mecs. 1h du matin, ça y est, c'est l'heure de dormir, les mecs.